Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S24 series, and this is easily one of the most important software updates Samsung users have been waiting for this year. After months of beta testing, leaks, and rumors, the company has finally begun pushing the stable firmware to Galaxy S24 devices, bringing new Galaxy AI tools, smoother animations, improved optimization, and a much more refined software experience overall. The update is now arriving for the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. These devices are now joining Samsung's latest software generation, which originally debuted with the newer Galaxy S26 lineup earlier this year. Even though the Galaxy S24 series is already one of the most powerful Android flagship lineups on the market, One UI 8.5 is designed to make these phones feel even smarter and more polished. Samsung officially launched the stable rollout in South Korea on May 6th. Users there have already started receiving the firmware update on their devices. According to Samsung, the rollout will continue expanding gradually to additional regions over the coming days and weeks. Countries in Europe, India, North America, Southeast Asia, and Latin America are all expected to receive the update very soon. This release is getting a lot of attention because Samsung spent a surprisingly long time testing One UI 8.5 before finally approving the stable version. The beta program originally started for the Galaxy S25 lineup before Samsung expanded testing to the Galaxy S24 series back in March. Since then, multiple beta updates were released to fix bugs, improve stability, and optimize overall performance. Now, Samsung finally appears confident enough to release the final software build to millions of Galaxy S24 users worldwide, but One UI 8.5 is not just a basic maintenance update with minor bug fixes. Samsung is actually bringing several advanced Galaxy AI features from the Galaxy S26 series directly to older flagship devices. That means Galaxy S24 users are now getting smarter AI-powered tools and software enhancements that originally launched on Samsung's newest phones. Samsung has been following this strategy much more aggressively recently. Instead of locking major software features behind newer hardware, the company is now bringing premium AI experiences to older flagship devices as well. And honestly, that is excellent news for Galaxy S24 users because it helps extend the lifespan of the phone without needing to upgrade to a newer model. The update also focuses heavily on system optimization and smoothness. Users who participated in the beta program are already reporting noticeable improvements in everyday usage. Animations reportedly feel smoother, multitasking performance appears more stable, and battery optimization has improved compared to earlier beta versions. Samsung also refined the overall visual experience of the interface. Small UI adjustments make the software look cleaner and more modern. App opening animations feel faster, transitions look smoother, and navigation throughout the system appears more responsive than before. For users who already installed the One UI 8.5 beta, the stable update is arriving as a much smaller incremental patch. Samsung is currently rolling out the DZDP firmware build to beta testers, and because most of the core files were already installed through earlier beta versions, the final package size is relatively small. However, users upgrading directly from stable One UI 8.0 are receiving a much larger OTA update package. In South Korea, reports suggest the stable firmware size is around 4.5 gigabytes for users who skip the beta program entirely. That large size makes sense considering the update includes new Galaxy AI features, system-level optimizations, visual enhancements, security improvements, and performance refinements across the operating system. If the update has not appeared yet, there is no reason to worry. Samsung always rolls out firmware updates in phases depending on region, carrier, and device model. Some users receive updates immediately, while others may need to wait several more days before the software becomes available. Users can manually check for the update by opening Settings, selecting Software Update, and tapping Download and Install. If the firmware is available for the device, it should appear automatically there. Another reason why One UI 8.5 is important is because many reports suggest this update acts as a bridge towards Samsung's future One UI 9 software based on Android 17. Samsung has accelerated software development significantly over the last few years, and the company reportedly wants to deliver future Android updates faster than ever before. That is a major change compared to older Samsung devices, which were often criticized for delayed software support and slow Android updates. Today, Samsung has become one of the fastest Android brands when it comes to long-term software support and major OS upgrades, With One UI 8.5, Samsung seems focused not only on adding new features, but also on improving overall refinement and stability. Instead of filling the software with flashy changes, the company is improving areas users notice every single day, including smoother scrolling, better RAM management, improved thermal performance, enhanced battery efficiency, and deeper Galaxy AI integration across the system. For many Galaxy S24 users, this update could make the phone feel brand new again. And honestly, that shows why software matters more than ever in modern smartphones. Today's flagship phones are already incredibly powerful, so the real difference now comes from software optimization, AI features, and overall user experience. Samsung clearly understands that, and One UI 8.5 is another major step forward for the Galaxy ecosystem.